My first time in Ecuador, and this country is over my expectation.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime trip.
Ecuador is an amazing country.
It's beautiful, it's safe, the people are very friendly.
Esta es una joya rarísima, todavía guardada, todavía escondida.
Every time I come here, it's something new and exciting and wonderful.
This has been amazing.
La sensación con la que yo me voy, ok, ahora puedo ir a trabajar duro para venir el próximo año otra vez.
It's one of the most beautiful places I've visited.
Well, I think just the variety between the Andes all the way down to the Amazon, the cloud forests in between, and then you've got the Galapagos and the coast as well. It's just such a variety of spectacular places all in one country that I didn't want to miss it.
Well, we came to Ecuador to photograph birds. We live in England and we've travelled many places around the world, but Ecuador is one of the best places on earth to see birds. There are 10,000 species of birds in the world, and about 30 or so can only be seen in Ecuador, so it's a very special place to come.
It opens your eyes a lot to new experiences and a new way of life, and it gives you something to bring back with you.